Morning. Production output report ready for the floor review. Operations calls at 7.
Pulling it up in a minute. Generate report.
Let me show you what a ransomware attack actually looks like from the inside. Every server you see holds thousands of updated production data. And when an attack hits, it freezes your entire important data. What if you could have spotted these vulnerabilities months ago? That's what Compunnel's risk assessment does. Our experts work with you to find the weak spots before attackers do. We bring in the right tools, the right expertise, customized to your environment. Think of us as your trusted partner, helping you stay ahead of threats without the overhead. Because preventing a breach is always faster and cheaper than recovering from one. With Compunnel, you get the assessment, the strategy, and the expertise to close gaps fast. Don't wait for the breach. Let's assess your risk today